The top 9 nuts you should eating for good health. Nuts are easy and healthy snack options. These bite-sized snacks are nutritional powerhouses packed with heart-healthy fats, vitamins, fiber and proteins. Nuts boost your overall health and are especially good in reducing the risk of heart diseases. Here is a list of 9 nuts and their health benefits. 1. Almonds. Eating almonds can help reduce the bad cholesterol, LDL, total cholesterol and oxidized LDL cholesterol, all of which are bad for the heart. This makes almond the heart-healthy nuts. Almonds are also low in calories that can be a part of your weight loss plan. It also helps in lowering the blood pressure in overweight people. The wonder nut also promotes beneficial gut bacteria, including bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. A handful of almonds have 161 calories. 2. Cashews. A diet rich in cashew helps improve symptoms of metabolic syndrome. A study found that a diet with 20% calories coming from cashews improves the blood pressure in people with metabolic syndrome. Though it is found that cashews have no significant effects on the body weight or blood sugar levels. A handful of cashews contain 155 calories. 3. Hazelnuts. Just like most other nuts, hazelnuts have a beneficial effect on heart disease. Hazelnuts help in lowering the inflammation and reducing the triglyceride levels. It also helps in increasing the vitamin E levels in the blood along with decreasing the bad cholesterol. 4. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts originate from a tree in Amazon and are greatly rich in selenium. Selenium is a mineral that acts as an antioxidant. The mineral is used for various bodily functions. A handful of Brazilian nuts provide you with 100% of the required daily intake for selenium. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acid alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Eating walnuts every day helps in reducing bad cholesterol and in maintaining the blood flow through the circulatory system. Walnuts also help in reducing inflammation, which in turn keeps a number of diseases at bay. Walnuts also have beneficial effects on the brain, say studies. A handful of walnuts contain 182 calories. 6. Pistachios. Pistachios are high in fiber and just like almonds, pistachios help in improving the cholesterol level by decreasing the bad cholesterol. It also helps in increasing the good cholesterol, HDL. It also helps by improving the blood pressure, reducing weight and oxidative status. Oxidative stress is the blood levels of the oxidized chemicals that can contribute to heart disease. A handful of pistachios contain around 156 calories. 7. Peanuts. Peanuts are not tree nuts and belong to the legume family. But they have a similar nutrient just like the tree nuts. A study conducted on 1,20,000 people found that peanuts intake was associated with a lower risk of death. Another study found that women who ate peanuts 5 times a week had a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Asthma condition improved in children and mothers who ate peanuts more than once a week. It's best to choose plain peanuts over the oily ones. A handful of peanuts contain 176 calories. 8. Pine nuts. These little nuts are a treasure trove of antioxidants. They perfectly increase the body's resistance and are also very well absorbed. Because of this, nutritionists recommend adding them to the diet for children and expectant mothers. They are useful for people with emotional disorders, hair, and skin problems. People suffering from insomnia should eat several fragrant nucleoli before bedtime. However, this product is not suitable for cholelithiasis and cholecystitis. 9. Pecan. A close relative of the walnut can lower cholesterol levels. In addition, the beneficial substances it contains help to reduce the risk of developing cancer. Also, doctors recommend it for hypervitaminosis, anemia, and decreased libido. At the same time, you should not store peeled for a long time, since their taste deteriorates, a bitter aftertaste appears. If you are prone to obesity, the use of this product should be less, since it is very high in calories. Children under 3 years should not eat these, because this product can cause an individual intolerance reaction. You can eat no more than 50 grams of nuts per day. Nuts have a wide range of essential nutrients and thus must be included in the daily diet. Make sure to choose nuts that are minimally processed and have no added ingredients. The processed varieties are full of salt and sugar, which defeats the purpose of having them.